To ensure your Xante X16 continues printing to the best of its ability, it is necessary to replace consumables on an as-needed basis. The wiper blade should be replaced as needed when they no longer wipe down the print head properly. Using the front panel arrows, move the carriage left toward the center of the print bed. The wiper blade has one small plastic tab on each end. Depress the tabs towards the center and pull up to remove the wiper blade. Remove the old wiper blade. It is secured in place by two small plastic tabs. Clean any excess ink from the wiper blade housing. Insert the new wiper blade. Ensure that the curve of the blade faces away from the plastic tabs in the housing. Insert the wiper blade in the housing. The end of the wiper blade should point towards the right side of the printer. On the front panel, press the exit button to park the print head.